And here we have it, folks. Welcome back to the Elite Under 17 Cup competition here on MG Sports. I am your host, Tajay Edwards. The final match of today, we have Harbour versus Mount Pleasant Academy here at the Mount Pleasant Academy. From this distance, away to central and straight to go directly for goal. I remember the last time I said this, and then this man steps up to it, but it won't work this time. Tariq Robinson tries his luck. He has a telling delivery on him. Will this be the first mark on the game from the captain? Flips it in, and it's on target, but straight at the keeper. Safe hands from the keeper also. The keeper. Safe hands from the keeper also.
We are go. Hey, get up! Get up, mama, you drop! You prepared, no?
Not the best free kick, but he will come out. Another shot on target there.
Ball.
Very good ball in the channel there.
What a ball!
And he holds it up. Nugent.
It's the one more.
Jump. We have a shot. That's blocked. 2-3 players cut. Jump battles well and wins the ball in the midfield. And this should be 1-0. Should be. Good save, and it's cleared off the line there. Brown was it to just clear that one off the line after a decent stop by the goalkeeper. Byron was it came down on goal with authority, and now the ball is with Jump. Clips it to the back post. Dawes clears it.
No!
Back to Nugent. To the back post. Keeps it well. Position still with Mount Pleasant Academy, and he has a shot. Spills again. Comes out to Nugent. Won't get it. Edwards.
Don't make him shoot.
Robinson. Still Robinson. Gets off it. Nugent. Plays a beautiful ball over the top. And that's it. Oh! Missed his. Fletcher to Dawes. Plays it out to Collins. Collins to Brown. Back to the goalkeeper, Singh. Singh to Thompson. Jump.
After jump fast, or jump get a speed.
Plays it to Harvey. Harvey couldn't return the pass. Jump. Jump. Where's it? And finally, there we have the opening strike. Nugent. Zaire. And he loses it. And it's just no call, and that's just off the line. By Dennis. That's a short pass. Gives it to Tariq Robinson. Payton. Still Payton. French. Shot. And that's saved by the keeper. Collins and Larman couldn't take it with them. And now Thompson does well. Jump does even better. And here it comes. Nugent. Jump. This should be 2-0. Collins be 2-0. Collins at the very last minute saves it. It pays off. The pressure there from Nugent. Good physicality there. Good shot.
Don't give up. Keep fighting, man. Keep fighting. Pressure them, Skip. Pressure them, man. Yeah, Owen. Yeah. Man.
Beautiful ball there by Jump. Nugent.
Clever.
And no one's there. And Harbour View come. And Emerson to double Mount Pleasant lead. And he makes no mistake. 2-0 the score. Jump. Caught in possession. Payton. Still Payton. Tries a shot but tame. Jump. Nugent. Ooh. Just above the last defender there.
Wait.
Jump. Tries it. And deflection takes it away. Gibson and Emerson on the score sheet for Mount Pleasant Football Academy. Gibson in the first half. Emerson in the second half from the penalty spot. Franco. Celestine kicks it. Deflection of Payton. And that will result in another. Beckford. Couldn't take you, and surely 2-1. Payton. And Payton puts it in the mixer. Tariq Robinson, but no one is there. Referee, so the position will stay with Harbour View.
with that hand. Yeah, shine my face, man, block gun. Shine it, man, shine my face.
Drop ball to Harbour View. Ball comes out to Tarek Robinson. Across, but no one was there. And we have just exhausted the 3 additional minutes. The referee whistled to his mouth. And surely, and that's it. The referee calls an end to this match.